Hi and welcome to another presentation from your business tutor, learning your way, anytime, anywhere. Advertising can be a really effective way of informing and persuading people to buy a product. However, sometimes other types of promotion are required as well to influence a consumer's purchasing decision. This is why this presentation on sales promotions is so important, as it will look at these other methods a business can use. Okay, so what are we going to learn in this presentation? Well, first of all, we're going to find out what a sales promotion is, and then we're going to investigate the different methods of sales promotion. Okay, let's get started by asking, what is a sales promotion? A sales promotion is a short-term marketing strategy used to increase the sales of a product and is often referred to as below-the-line promotion. However, and this is a point that was made in a previous presentation, sales promotion does not include any form of advertising such as TV, radio, internet or social media. Given this, when we are referring to sales promotion, we are talking about such things as special offers, competitions and prizes, coupons, loyalty cards and free samples. Okay, let's now turn to look at these in a little more detail by first asking, what is a special offer? Special offers are a popular form of sales promotion that use money-saving offers such as a 10% discount, buy one get one free, or 30p off the purchase price. Whichever one is used, their main advantage is that they encourage customers to purchase as they believe they are getting a good deal. In fact, this not only persuades existing customers to buy more, but may also convince other people who purchase competitors' products to switch, which obviously would have a positive effect on sales and market share. However, as special offers involve selling a product at a discounted price, it does mean that profit levels will be negatively affected, meaning such a strategy may not be used for a long time. Having said that, a business may still be willing to use a special offer if they want to increase their market share, are launching a new product and want to encourage sales, or are trying to get rid of old inventory before it goes out of fashion. Okay, let's now turn to another method of sales promotion by asking, what is a competition and prize? This method involves a business creating a competition that customers who purchase their product can enter to win prizes. As you might expect, one of the big advantages of this is that it creates interest in a product, especially if the prizes that can be won are sought after, meaning sales will rise. Moreover, if the competition involves a customer having to provide their personal details to enter, it will give the business access to lots of important information on their customers, which it can then use to send promotions to them in the future. However, a big disadvantage of running such competitions is that there is an expense involved in doing so, in that prizes need to be paid for, packaging will have to be altered to inform customers, and administrative systems will need to be put in place to run the competition. Okay, let's now turn to look at limited editions. A limited edition is when a business launches a variation of a popular product, using a different flavour, packaging or style for a specific period of time. Given this is quite a change, it generates quite a lot of interest amongst existing customers, which can encourage sales to rise. In fact, it can even persuade customers who used to purchase the product to try it again, as with the limited edition being a little bit different, it piques their interest. Moreover, if the limited edition sells well and gets excellent customer reviews, it can become a permanent feature in a business's product range. Nevertheless, creating limited editions is expensive, as money will need to be spent on not only developing the product in the first place, but also on packaging and advertising the product to customers. Okay, let's now turn to look at what free samples are. A free sample is when a business offers customers a small taster or a trial of its product, either in a supermarket, attached to another product the business sells, or placed in a magazine. As the sample is free, people will be willing to try it, which can be useful for a new product trying to get a foothold in a market. This is because if the product is well received, it may encourage future sales when people have to start paying for it. However, as free samples are handed out in specialised packaging at no charge, they will be loss-making. And of course, some people just throw away the sample without using it, which raises environmental concerns. Okay, let's turn to explore what loyalty cards are. This sales promotion technique allows a customer to earn points every time they buy something from a shop, which can then be swapped for rewards such as gifts, holidays or cash back. As is clear, an advantage of loyalty cards is that it not only encourages a customer to buy multiple products, but also to stay loyal, as this will allow them to earn more reward points. However, setting up and running a loyalty card scheme is expensive to do and only really maintains customer interest if the rewards are worthwhile earning. Nevertheless, if this can be achieved, a loyalty card scheme will allow a business to not only obtain access to its customers' personal details when they register for the card, which can then be used to send out future promotions, but also makes it easy to track customers' purchasing habits, as what they buy will be registered against their loyalty card. Okay, let's now move on to investigate what product endorsement is. This sales promotion method involves either a celebrity, a vlogger or an independent consumer website recommending the use of a business's product. A big advantage of this is that recommendations from famous people or trusted sources can have a really positive effect on sales, as many people base their purchasing decision on such endorsements. Further still, a positive recommendation can also enhance a product's brand identity, especially if a well-known personality is used, as their image will rub off on the product. However, gaining the endorsement of a famous celebrity can be expensive, and if they do something that gains negative press, this can get associated with the product, which would negatively affect sales. Okay, let's now move on to our final question by asking, what other methods of sales promotion can a business use? A commonly used sales promotion used by many businesses is to offer free gifts if a product is purchased. For example, many manufacturers often put small toys inside cereal boxes targeted at children, whereas some insurance companies offer free cinema tickets or a free pen if a customer buys one of their products. On the other hand, some businesses use a sales promotion where they give customers more of a product, but at the same price, meaning it is better value, which is referred to as a bonus pack. Alternatively, another sales promotion which is used by a lot of e-commerce businesses or retailers selling bulky products is to provide free delivery on all orders so that customers do not incur any excess charges. In fact, many retailers will go even further than this and offer money-back guarantees, whereby if a customer is not completely satisfied with a product, they can return it within a specified time period for a full refund. And finally, many businesses offer credit facilities as a form of sales promotion, as it allows customers to buy a product today, but spread the repayments over a number of years, which makes the item more affordable. Okay, so what did we learn in this presentation? Well, first of all, we found out what a sales promotion is, and then we went on to investigate methods of sales promotion a business could use. There is a vast range of sales promotions a business can use to encourage customers to purchase their product. However, as with everything in business, it is not enough to know which sales promotions exist, but which ones will have the most beneficial effect in the circumstances a business finds itself. This is where management expertise comes to the fore, as it is only when informed decisions are made that a business will have a greater chance of achieving success.